Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Roblox CPU usage problem. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first click here and then click and then type here background apps, and after that turn off all those applications that you will find here, and then let's move to the next step. Click here and then type here game mode. Now turn on this option, go to captures, turn off those options that you will find here, and then go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, and after that restart your PC, and after restarting your PC open task manager and then click on CPU to see application that takes your CPU like Google Chrome. As you see here, right click and end it, and after that just open Roblox and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.